Ladies and gentlemen, I have a question. Jordan 5 lows, are they trash? Today, we figure it out. Boom! Here they go. Jordan 5 lows. I'm a fan of sneakers. Whatever, Jordans, Nikes, Pumas, Adidas, I'm all for it. But one thing that I hear consistently, Jordan 5 lows are trash. So you already know I just cashed out $5,000 on a collection. Picked up like 20 pairs of Jordans, 1s, 4s, 3s, 5s, Spizikes, crazy. And this was one of the pairs. And I'm like, yo, these are Jordan 5 lows. Let me see what these things look like. I've never had a pair. I got a pair of white metallics. I'm probably gonna do a comparison video between the two of these. But I love those Jordan 5 white metallics. Those are fire. Fire red on the colorway. We got white upper. This is that smooth leather. Love that. I love this feature right here with the netting. I see netting a lot that's two-tone. This is just straight black on black. Midsole is wild with the colors. Black, red. We got the air bubble, of course. We got the translucent. We got the white. So it's all over the place with the colors. On the bottom, translucent. We got the Jordan branding with the Jumpman Jordan brand here. I don't see extra laces, but I do like the white laces on here. They look pretty good. We got the black netting in the back on the tongue. We got the black and the red. That looks beautiful. Inside, standard Air Jordan branding. And we got the Jumpman with the black insole. Listen, are you telling me that Jordan 5 lows are trash? I really don't see it. I think these are fire. Now, maybe it's the colorway. Maybe they look trash in other colorways, but I'm feeling these. There's been a couple of Jordan 5 that seem pretty dope, but this is the first pair I've had in hand. When you get the lows with the 6s, sometimes the silhouettes look a little bit different and it's not exactly what you expect, and that throws people off. And maybe that's the same with these Jordan 5s, but getting them in hand, they're beautiful. Leather is buttery on this. I love the way the midsole looks with the translucent, the icy bottom. I'm feeling these. You gotta tell me what you think. Are they fire? Are they trash?
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching Not a Sneakerhead. You can subscribe here or you can watch a video that I've selected just for you. Make sure you keep your sneakers clean and have a great day.